It's cold?
Yes.
Oh, it's here also in the Philippines. It's cold again. We have a storm here. Okay. So last time we discussed about reading like this, right? Cat reading, you answered this, but we are not yet done. So we need to finish this. Okay, we need to finish the reading. And then maybe after a while, if we are done with this, with cat test 1, we can move to cat test 2. Okay? Yeah. Okay, so we are already with us. Okay, so we are now in here. Look at this one. We are going, let us try this, Uyan. Okay, you will read the information about the 3 books. There are 3 books, Uyan. 3 books. So you will have to read information about this one and we will answer some questions later, okay? First is we have new books within this month. So we have 3 books. First, The Long Night. Second, Hard Work. Third, Hospital or Cinema. Okay, again, we have 3 books. We have 3. First, Long Night. Second, Hard Work. Third, Hospital or Cinema. This one. Okay, we have here The Long Night. This is David Riley's first book. Okay, the author is, look at the author here. It's David Riley. Okay, it's David Riley. Okay, that's the author. Okay, wait for a while. This is the author. Okay, that one. That's the author. It's David Riley. Okay, so this is David Riley's first book. O yan, you listen to teacher. And David became a writer after teaching English for several years. So he is an English teacher. Then Maha, okay. So actually, David is the writer of the book. Okay, writer. But the story is all about Maha. The book or the story in the book is about Maha, who is a nurse, okay, in Northern Australia, where she works in a small hospital. Then one day, a baby is so ill that Maha has to drive all night to get her to the nearest big city. They have a lot of problems getting there. And this is the title. Yeah.
And bottom.
Okay, and that. And this is why it becomes the title The Long Night. It is long night because this is a night when Maha brought the child to the nearest hospital. Maybe there are lots of problems as they go there in the hospital. So the long night story is about Maha, a nurse who worked in Australia. But the writer here is David Riley. So David write a book about Maha. And what is the title of the book, Uyan?
The nurse.
The Long
Night.
The Long Night. Very good. Second book, listen. In the second book, we called it, the title is Hard Work. You know what is hard work?
Yes.
Okay. Hard Work. This is exciting story. Okay. This exciting story is Joanna Jones. Joanna Jones. Okay. Okay. Joanna Jones. Okay. This story, Hard Work. Okay. The title of the book is Hard Work. Is about Sumbat. Okay. The name of the character, the person in the story is Sumbat, who works with his father. They are carpenter. You know what is carpenter? The one who build house, the one who make house, the one who make shelves, the one who make cabinet, the one who make stairs and everything. They are carpenter, okay? Sumba, this hard work, this book, Uyan, is about Sumbat. Sumbat is a very hard-working carpenter. Together with his father, they live in Thailand. They work long hours. Okay, imagine. Long, hard hours making tables, making chairs, but they do not have money. They do not have money, oh yeah, although they work very hard. Then one day, a man dressed all in black buys the most beautiful table in the shop. Okay. So this book, the title of the book is, what is the title of Uyen?
Hard,
Hard.
hard work.
Okay. And it is written by, who is the author, the writer? Joanna
Joanna.
Joanna Jones. That's the writer. Okay. And the book, Uyen, is about, it's about who? The book is about who? The book is about, who is the person in the book?
Sumbat.
Sombat. Sombat is a very hardworking person with his father. Okay. They work very hard. Sombat and his father work very hard and long, hard hours. But they don't have money. Okay. So one day, there was a man dressed in black. What happened? Then Black buys the most beautiful table in the shop. Okay. The man buy the beautiful table on the shop. Okay, like this. Now, okay, look here. Okay. The third story, Uyen, is hospital or cinema. This is about hospital or cinema. Okay. This story is about, again, this story is about, okay, about Tina.
Cinema.
Okay. The title of the story is Hospital or Cinema. Okay. And who is the writer? The writer is Marcy Giacomi. Okay, can you see the title? The title is Marcy Giacomi. That's the title. Marcy Giacomi. Okay. So, in the story, this is about Tina. This is about Tina. Tina is a young Brazilian, okay, whose dream is to become a doctor. Okay, Tina wants to be a doctor. Okay, she goes to London to study English and medicine. Okay, she go to London. Tina, okay, the book is about Tina. Tina is a young Brazilian woman who wants to become a doctor. But one day she meets a man who asks her to go to the USA with him to become a film star. What will Tina do? Okay, so that is why, Uyen, the title is Hospital, Becoming a Doctor, or Cinema, Becoming a Film Star. So this is the third book. Okay, again, the first book is Long Night. Okay, Long Night about Maha, a nurse who traveled long night. Okay, and the writer is, who is the writer of Long Night?
David Riley.
Very good. It's David Riley. And the second book, what's the title of the second book?
Hard work.
Okay, it's Hard Work, teacher. The title of the second book is Hard Work. Okay. And who is the author? The author is Joanna. It's Joanna Jones. Okay. Okay, Joanna Jones. It's here, Joanna Jones. And Hard Work is about, it's about the story of who? Hard Work is about the story of who? Whose story is Hard Work? Hard work is a story of who?
Yes.
Okay, it's a story of it is a story about Sumbat. Okay, again, who is the story all about? The book is all about who? Uyen, about what's the name of the person?
Sumbat.
Sumbat. Here it's about Sumbat. Okay. And then, but Sumbat is a very hardworking carpenter. Very hardworking. Okay. They work long hours and then after that, but then what happened? So Sumbat don't have money. Sumbat don't have money. Although Sumbat works very hard, but then Sumbat don't have money. Okay. They work long hours, hard hours, making tables and chairs. Okay, that's the title. Hard work because Sumbat is a very hardworking man. Next book is Hospital or Cinema. This is about Tina. Tina wants to be a doctor. That is why hospital. Or wants to be a film star or actress. That's why it's cinema. Okay. So do you understand the three books? Uyen?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Long night, okay. Letter A, long night, hard work, and hospital or cinema. Okay? Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Next one here. Oh, what is this? This is the questions. Okay. So you will have to wait for a while. I need to erase again. Oh my God. So messy. Okay. The long night, hard work. Okay, so we have here. So you will put here your answers A, B, or C. Okay. Is it about long night? About Maha? Is it about hard work? About Sumbat? Or hospital or cinema about Tina? Okay. You answers here A, B, or C. Okay. Let's see. Okay, very good, Uyen. Okay. Which book is by somebody? Okay, I will highlight the words. Which book is about somebody who is very poor? Wow, very good. Good job, Uyen.
Teacher,
Yes.
can I see you again?
Okay, what? The
No.
story? The story?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, wait for a while. Okay, that one.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Can I see?
Okay, let 24. Which book is by somebody who worked in school? Which book is by somebody who worked in school? Is it The Long Night Shift, the Hard Work, or Hospital or Cinema? It's about work. It's about studying in school. Very good, Uyen. You're working.
Hospital or cinema?
Okay, secret. Oh, you answer. If you think that is
No.
correct, you answer. If you think that is the correct answer, oh, you answer. You put it there, your answer.
Can I see? Can I see?
You want to see it again?
Yes.
Okay. I will. Sorry, Uyen. Okay, that. Sorry, Uyen. That one.
Okay.
Okay. Go, Uyen. You can do it. I know you can do it.
Can you read this one?
Number 25.
Yes.
Okay. Which book is about difficult journey? Which book is about difficult or very hard journey? Very hard travel. What is that? What book is that?
B.
Okay. The travel. Which book is about difficult travel? Not hard work, travel.
Long night. B.
Okay, are you done answering all?
Okay.
Okay, very good, teacher. Okay, wait for a while. Okay, next one here. Which book is by somebody who has written a lot of books? Let's see. Letter B. Very good. Yay. Number 2. Can you read number 2?
Which book about somebody who is very poor?
Oh, who is very poor? What book is that?
Hard work.
Hard work. Why do you think it's hard work? Because
It's a hard work and very poor.
yeah, it's about who's the person in the hard work? It is about
Chair and table.
the chairs and table. What's the name of the person? It's about it's about some
Somewhat.
it's somebody. Yeah. 23. Which book is about somebody who would like to work in the hospital? Let me see. Oh, very good. Oh, very good, my Oyen. And 24, can you read 24, please?
Which book by somebody work in a school?
Which book is by somebody who work in school? Letter O. Very good, Oyen, my dear. 25. Which book is about difficult journey? Yeah, it's The Long Night. It is Maha who traveled a long night. Very good. 26. Can you read 26, please?
Which book about a man and his son?
Oh, whose book is that? It's about Sumbat. Yeah, the hard work. Very good. Which book is by a student? Letter C. Wow, very. You got perfect. Wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 points. Okay. You've got 7 points. Yay, good job. Oh, yeah. Yay. Okay. 7 points. Okay. So for 20 to 35, let's see here. Okay. Okay. I will be using this one. Okay. Okay, wait for a while. Okay, like this. Oh, yan, as you can see, there are boxes here. It's closed. Once we can answer, okay, it will be open. Okay. So, here you will have to answer. You will have to write here the answer for this one. Just try to answer. Number 36.
The one.
You need this to travel to some foreign countries. Okay, what's the answer?
Passport.
You write there the passport.
I don't know the right.
Spelling? You don't know the spelling?
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Okay, it's okay. Teacher Ann will write. Okay. So I will write what? You will write. Okay.
A. teacher.
Wow, you love writing? Okay, you write, or I will just show the answer and you will just answer. What do you want?
Can you read my write?
Okay, you need this to travel to some foreign countries. What's the answer?
Tickets. Teacher.
Okay, letter 36. Okay, no, 36 is your, what is your answer for 36?
Passport.
Okay, passport teacher. Oh, sorry. Passport, very good. Yay. Number 37, look at passport. You need to buy this before you get on a plane.
Ticket.
Ticket teacher. Okay, very good. Okay. Number 38. This is where you get a plane. Start with letter A. This is where you get a plane.
Wait, I'm right.
Okay.
I'm right.
You really love writing, Oyen. I can see it.
No.
Okay?
Bah, bah.
Okay? What's the answer for 38? Are you still writing? It's raining here, Oyen.
Why is raining?
There's a storm here in the Philippines.
Oh.
Yeah, really. In our place, we are already signal number 1.
Signal number 1
Yeah.
is what?
It's raining.
Is
It means signal number 1, not too dangerous. Signal number 2, the rain is so fast. And signal number 3, the rain is quiet. There is really a storm, a typhoon. So we are signal number 1. That's why it keep on raining. Okay? You right now.
yes.
Do you know? Oh, you do the spelling of ticket already because it's there. You love writing, really.
Yes, I
Oh,
like why you
yeah, I know you
love.
love writing that much. Your brother is still sleeping? Okay,
No.
very good. Number 38. This is where you go to get a plane. Let's letter A. This is where you go to get a plane.
I don't know.
What's letter A? Start with letter A.
A.
Yeah, when you go there, when you ride a plane, where will you go? You will go on. It's a letter A. Have you traveled? You travel? When you travel, well, where will you ride a plane? What place is that?
Where?
It is, yeah, when you travel, where are you going to ride a plane? What place is that? It's a mall? It's a hospital? What place? Start with letter A. It's letter? Okay, I will show the answer or you will still
No,
think?
no.
You will think?
Where?
Okay.
Airport.
Oh, very good. Oh, it's airport. Very good. Okay, you answer now.
Airport.
Oh, you're laughing. Why? Because you thought it's very hard? Okay, 38. Oh, you're done with 38. 39. You put your clothes in this when you travel. When you travel, you will put all your clothes in here. What's that? Okay, you put your clothes in this when you travel. What is that?
Backpack.
Oh, start with letter S. Start with letter S. It starts with letter S. What is that?
Where?
Okay, start with letter S. You put your clothes in this when you travel. Like you will have to roll it like you will do like that. Okay, it's that. Start with letter S. It is, oh yeah, I will show the answer or you will guess. You will think
Where?
again.
Where?
Yeah, go Uyen. You can do it, my dear. You can do it. Go, go, go. Start with. Start with. What's the start?
I don't know.
Okay, it starts with letter S. The answer is suitcase. Oh, you know what is suitcase? Look at this picture. This is suitcase, right? Do you understand now? Did you get the answer? That suitcase. Okay, this is where in which Robert will put it here, a big bag. Have you seen this one? You have suitcase. I know you have suitcase, right? Oh yeah, and do you have suitcase at home?
Yes.
Okay, next number 40. This person likes visiting different place. This person likes visiting different place. Start with letter T. What's that? What's that? Do you know the answer?
You. Everybody.
Everybody, it's letter T. 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 T.
Wait.
Yeah, you think. Okay, so 40. This person likes visiting different places. What is that? Start with letter T. If the trouble, what's a T, T, T. What's the name of the person? It's two, two. Okay, I will start the letter with letter two. Two. What's the name? Can you answer, Oyen? It's hard. Teacher will help you. Or you can do it.
Teacher.
Hard? Okay, I will.
Teacher.
Teacher will do.
Teacher.
Yes. Why?
Teacher.
Okay, why?
This is teacher.
This is teacher. Okay, this person like visiting different place. Okay, I will say if this is teacher. Teacher Anne, are you there? Okay, this is how many letter? T, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Teacher. T, E, A, C, H, E, R. Do you think it's teacher? The answer is tourists. Okay. Tourists. Oh, those are okay. The people here are yeah, it's tourists. Okay. Example, teacher Ann will go to Vietnam. I am tourist. If Oyen will go to in our country in Philippines, you are tourist. Okay, like that is tourist. Okay, you copy now, you write. I know you love writing.
Oh, why is tourist? I don't know.
Tourists, they are the person who loves to travel. Okay, look at in the person. Look at this. Look at this guy. He is taking a photo. So if you travel Uyen, like you will go to Da Nang, you will go to the Philippines, you will go to Thailand, you are tourists. You like visiting different place. Okay. If Teacher Ann will go there in your place, so Teacher Ann is a tourist.
It's very hot.
Very hard. Okay, go. You can do it. I know you can. Let's just have this slowly. Don't worry. Teacher Ann will be here. I will support you. I will not give you hard questions. Okay? Let us practice. Just practice. I know you're very young, Uyan.
Oh,
Okay. Yeah.
oh,
Oh, what's that? Oh, it's okay. That's the correct. That's correct. Okay, can you read now? Passport. Okay, I will read. You
passport, airport,
okay? You need this to travel to some foreign country. What's that? What's the answer? Passport,
passport,
teacher. You need to buy this before you get on the plane.
blah blah blah,
What's that? It's
blah,
tickets. This is where you go to get a plane. What's that, Uyan?
blah blah blah,
Oh, not blah blah blah. Not blah blah blah. Oh, answer correctly. This is a
blah blah
airport.
blah,
What's blah blah blah? You put clothes in this when you travel. It is
blah.
yan. This is suitcases. Okay. This person likes visiting different place. It's tourist. Tourist. Okay. So
This
can you say it's blah 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 again. Okay. So you've got 5 points. I will take that first. Okay, where is it? Okay, number five.
oh no.
Wow. Okay, you erase this. You erase.
Okay.
Okay, erase please.
Ma.
Why? Okay, so here, look at this one. Okay, so look at this one. This is all about Andy. Okay, so Walton College Film Club, it's about Andy. So Andy, let's go to the film club next week. Can you get the tickets from the college office? Remember, we pay the cheaper price. I must study at home for our exam on 8th April. Thanks. See you next Tuesday in the coffee bar at 7:45. It starts. Shella. Okay. So Shella is sending letter to Andy. Okay, this is Shella. Shella is sending letter to Andy. And Shella said, Dear Andy, let's go to the film club. This is the film club, Uyan, this one. Can you get the tickets from the college office? Okay, the ticket cost 3.50. Remember what we pay the cheaper price? I must study at home for our exam on April 8th. Thanks. See you next Tuesday. Okay, that's Tuesday because the film will be Tuesday in the coffee bar. At 7:45 it starts. So, where is it? In the coffee bar or it's in the drama studio here. Okay, okay. Did you understand this? This is about the film, Uyan. This is about the film that will be shown every Tuesday 8 p.m. Where? In the drama studio. Okay. April 2, it's City Lights. April 9, The Last King. Okay. Tickets, 350 for students, 5 for visitors. Okay. So, they will go there at Tuesday, every Tuesday. So, this is about Andy and Shella. Okay. Now, can you answer this one? Okay. What's this is Andy's notes? Film club with Shella. What's the date? Do you know the date?
Marunong.
Okay. Uyan, do you have paper? Paper.
No.
Okay. You don't have paper?
In this room, don't have paper, and I have paper.
Okay, okay. So we have here. So look at this one. What's the date of the film club? Okay, I will write here. Okay, what's the date? Date. What's that? Okay, there are two dates. April 9 and April 2, right?
2, April 9, April 2.
2. Okay, April 9 and April 2. Very good. What's the name of the film?
Can I see?
Okay, can I see, teacher? Of course. It is College.
Where?
Yeah, here. Walton College film. What's the name of the film? City Lights and the Last King. That's the name of the film. April 9. What's the name of the film in April 9?
The Last King.
The Last King, teacher. Okay, look at here. Okay, very good. Oh, very good. Starting time. Yeah, what does it start? What time it will start?
7.
Yeah, it's 8 p.m. Nearly 7 p.m. How much is the tickets? For the students.
Can I see?
Okay, I will let you see again. Okay.
Free and blah blah blah.
350. That's 350. 350. And where are they going to meet? In the what place?
Coffee bar.
Okay, let's answer this one. Okay, 350 and coffee bar. Okay, good job. Okay, how many points did you have this? Did you correct in date? Are you correct with that?
No.
Okay, so you've got 4 points only. So 17. Your total score now is, okay, 15 over 17. You got two correct, two mistakes only. Very good. Yay, my dear Oyen. Good job, Oyen. Okay, so doing great today. So we will be having here another tomorrow. That's Sunday. Sunday tomorrow, Oyen. Yeah. Sunday tomorrow we'll be having another lesson. Okay, it's about reading, test 2. So we will have the test, regular test on Monday. That is teacher Anne is trying to practice you because the test will be on Monday, okay? We can do it together. Okay, let me show your face. Where's the face? Oh, love, love, teacher. What's the love, love sign? Oh, do you still remember the love, love sign? Love, love sign. Oh, again. Love, love sign. Oh, yan. Oh, very good. Okay. For now, teacher will say goodbye and you go to bed again. It's Saturday. Oh, Saturday. Don't have class, right? What's that?
Saturday.
Today
Can you do like this?
What's that? Like this?
No. No.
Oh, I don't know. Oh, yan. Like that? Oh, teacher don't know. Okay. Oh, I know. Oh, I cannot fold. You can fold yours. You can do like that. You can bend. Like that. Oh, a teacher don't know how to do it. Wait. Oh my God, I don't know. Wow, very good. I know it. You do like that. I know it. Is that correct?
No.
What is that? What? I know it like that. Teacher.
No.
All I know is like this. I don't know how to bend like that. Oh, very good. Oh, where did you learn it? Oh, yan. Where did you learn it? Teacher is doing it also. Okay. So for now, Oyan, I want to see your face again. Goodbye, my Oyan little girl, my pretty Oyan. Oh, you're wearing pajama? It's so cold. Where's your brother? Where's your brother? Sleeping?
Living in another
Sleeping.
room.
Sleeping in another room. Okay. So for now, Teacher Anne will say goodbye. Goodbye, Oyan. Oh, heart, heart. Oh, you have the love, love sign in your dress. Look at your dress. Look at your blouse. You have the love, love sign. Yeah, you have the love, love sign there. Oh, see? Love, love sign. Okay. For now, teacher will say goodbye. Very cute. You look beautiful today with your dress, the love, love dress. And you also have the love, love headset. See? You have the love, love headset. Okay. So for now, teacher will say goodbye.